What is a hotel corporate rate? Hotels offer lower corporate rates to get more business travelers into the hotel. Business travelers want to make sure they're getting the best price possible on their hotel rooms, and often that means paying the corporate rate, also sometimes known as a business traveler rate, for said rooms. This is a reduced price that the hotel either negotiates directly with a large company or offers to business travelers in general. The discount may be 10% off the regular rate, or sometimes even more. Many employees do not know their own firm's corporate code. During my business trips, I always found myself sharing travel tips to my colleagues on many different engagements. Only a few knew how to get the discounts they had available to them. I have been traveling at Starwood hotels for different companies, using different hotel rates and code. With Starwood hotels, corporate codes are called set codes, and the set codes can be filled in on the booking form online. The same code works for all Starwood properties including Westin, St. Regis, W Hotels, Sheraton, 4 Points, Le Méridien, Aloft, etc. You can visit my blog through the link in the description to get more code and usage details of Starwood Hotel. Is identification required to use company code? Online I often have read about people concerned by using a corporate rate because they feel the hotel will be asking for identification at check-in in order to confirm eligibility for the discounted corporate rate. Typically I am asked for a form of corporate identification less than 10% of the times I have a reservation using a corporate rate. When I am actual employee I typically show my business card, but when I am a contractor or supplier I just say so. No further details are needed. Typically my answer to a request of corporate ID to prove my relationship with the company holding the contract with the hotel chain sounds like, sorry, I am a contractor, supplier, customer. Not a single time I was asked any additional question or challenged further. So should you worry about being kicked out of the hotel? Not based on my pretty extensive experience. Am I suggesting you to use corporate rates you are not eligible for? Not at all, but purely because I do not feel it is ethical. However, I would suggest that you understand if you are eligible to take advantage of corporate rates, because very often you do not need to be an employee of the company holding the contract with the hotel. Contractors, consultant, suppliers and customers are very often eligible as well. How to use Starwood Hotel Code. There are two ways to book a room enjoying a corporate rate: calling the hotel and asking for the rate, or booking on the hotel website using the corporate or contract code. The more convenient way to book the room is using the corporate code and going directly to the hotel website providing the code during the reservation. There is usually a field called corporate code, or corporate contract, or discount code. Enter the code you obtained and you can see the price after the discount.